Hey, my dear patrons! I hope you're doing well in these awful, uncertain COVID times. Recently, I have been learning new things which I'm very enthusiastic about, and those inspired me to make a fun, cool Photoshop goodie for you. I'm going to do a demonstration right now so you can see what I made. So I made this list of brushes right here. 10 brushes. If I select one and I paint with it, you can notice first off it isn't the normal brush I'm painting with. See? It is in fact the pattern stamp tool. This one. This tool is super handy and I only recently found out the power of what it can do. In the default mode, it indeed can paint patterns like this. But with the Impressionist option checked, you paint not the actual pattern, but the colors of the pattern instead. And you can combine it with a brush shape and brush settings. So it has all the wonderful goodness a normal brush has, but with the extra color pattern option. The actual color you can find, there is a pattern thumbnail access at the menu at the top. You can paint with any pattern you have loaded on your system. Also, my previous seamless patterns. As a download, I custom made some color palettes and defined those as patterns with colors that are nice combinations. You aren't stuck with the color palette a particular brush comes with. You can switch between patterns. Any pattern you like. This is a very easy and fast way to paint, for example, backgrounds for your renders, or pretty backgrounds for your devices like your phone. Included in this goodie are 10 paint brushes in .abr format, 35 color palettes in .pat and in PNG image files. I hope you enjoy creating with this goodie. Make it a great day, and thank you for watching.